Hey guys, this is how to fix a Lorex app not working. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss three solutions for you and the guide for the Apple users. I'll be showing a step-by-step guide on the left side of the screen. So first thing that you will do is simply go to the Google Play Store and go for the search bar at the bottom and go to the top for the search and just simply search for the application. And now just simply tap on the Lorex app. Now from here, just simply tap on the three dots on the top right corner of the screen and make sure to enable the auto update, guys. And now, if there is an update, you should be able to see update over here instead of open. Now, guys, for the second solution is just simply go to the settings into your device. And after that, just simply go to the apps. And now from here, just try to find the Lorex application, or you can just simply go ahead and use the search icon on the top right corner of the screen and just simply tap on the app. And now from here, just tap on storage and tap on clear cache and just try opening the app again and you should be able to fix it. But if it still doesn't, just simply go back over here and just simply tap on clear data and tap on OK. And from there, you should be able to fix it. Now, if it still doesn't, the third solution is just simply go back on the top left corner of the screen and now just simply go ahead and tap on uninstall at the bottom and tap on OK. And from there, you should be able to, and from there, just simply go back to the Google Play Store and reinstall it back again into your device, and you should be able to fix it. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below and I will try my best to answer it. There you go. See ya.